This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. Doing a training coaching video for everybody. Just trying to explain our foundations. A lot of people say, well, gosh, we'll buy some stocks. Let's buy some stocks. Oh, that's just great. All stocks are great. No, that's not true. Not all stocks are great. Not all companies are great. Some stocks go up, some stocks go down, some stocks will go up for a while, and then they'll go down. That's just the life of stocks. And our job is this, to find spots, sweet spots, where they can move. But there's something very important I need to share with you that I think will help you. I'd like to slide this into the frame right here. Proven strengths of super stocks. 80% of these stocks that make big moves have earnings up 40% or higher before they break out. 80%. Folks, you can go to the casino with 80% odds. Okay? You can do that. By the way, I'm not suggesting you do that at all. Okay? At all. I haven't been to a casino in decades. You got better things to do. 75% had sales up 40% or higher for 2 quarters. So now you have an edge, a statistical edge on what to do. And yeah, periodically I used to teach statistics on a university level. Sometimes they just don't add up. Okay, I'm sorry I had to say it. So let's go back and look at this. INMD. When this stock was forming this pattern right here, and it's a new issue pattern, earnings were up 109% and sales were up 55% before we bought it. You can see where it went up, it pulled back, there's volume here, started to lift up, pulled back, but now look right here. What do you see right here, folks? These 3 bars. It's a pennant formation. That is a very, very valuable, priceless formation in charts. A pennant. Frame it up with it also has clean tops here and here with that white line. It's forming that pennant on decreasing volume. It's above the 50-day. It's above the 20-day. It's resting right on the 8-period exponential moving average. We love that, okay? All those variables put together, and that is how we build a case. So advance it 1 bar. By the way, there's a reason we do it this way. If you always look at charts after the fact, well, that was easy. Well, that was easy. Well, look at that. That was easy. You're cheating yourself. Go back and look at the chart before it broke out and study it. This is what we were looking at. This was on the key list for members right here on this night. Saying if it takes out this pennant, there's a buy there. If it takes out this pennant with some volume coming into it, advance it 1 day. And it lifts off. Pushes through the white line. I'm going to go back. Here's the pennant. You can see it. Nothing fancy. Takes it off on a pickup in volume. They voted. Where did it stop? It stops right at this white line, connecting here and here. So what do we want to see next? Let's suppose we bought this. What do we want to see next? Well, I guess we'll want to see it push through that white line. Yeah. Wow, what a novel idea. And we would like to see it do that with what? With what? And I know you can say, Pat, we're not connected. You can't hear me. I know, I'm just being cute. What do you want to see? Push through that white line with some volume. That's what we want. Oh, surprise, surprise, it does it. I always say this. People talk with their mouths and vote with the pocketbooks. Hey, folks, they voted. There you go. And it does this. And it's an inside day. And here it is here. Here. What's it doing right here, by the way? It's walking up the 8-period exponential moving average. Walking up the line. The line. Loses the line by just a little bit, but finds support on the line. We're okay. Bounces off the line on a pickup in volume than the previous day. Gaps up on a pickup in volume. Look, you had a little shelf here, and it pushes through, and then it gaps up again. Look at this. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. By Joe, what are they doing? They're buying it. That's sweet potato pie. We like that. We could say that because it's just after Thanksgiving, okay? Inside day on less volume. By the way, for those that celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving and a good time, hopefully with friends and family. A lot to be thankful for. And I hope it goes far beyond the stock market, all right? Here we go. Up. Reverses down, but on less volume. Look at this. Walking up. Look at the volume pickup. Is that nice? We like that. Up, reverses down. Still good. Walking up the 8-day. Comes down. Look where it stops. Right at the 8-day. Everything's all right. Oh, surprise, surprise. Guess what it does? It bounces off to the 8-day. And it continues. Oh, and then it does this. Going up to the 8-day. Look at that. Look at the volume. That's sweet. That's what we want. It's like, oh, I'm going to sell it all. Why? Why? Limit your losses. Don't limit your profits. You can sell some into strength, but you've got to let a good portion of your shares work for you. Let the market work for you. That is so important. Right here. Pulls back a little bit on a slight pickup in volume and does this right here. Okay? And then it does this down to the 20 on this bar. What did we do? What do you think we did? Fell out of that pennant, drop it on volume. We sold some. Sell it all? No. Bounces off, starts to go up here, and that is as of last Friday. That's where it is. Just grinding on up. Got close to a double right here. Do they all do this? No. But it's nice when they do. We're just letting it work and see what happens. This may be the top. I don't know the future, but I do know good entry in good stocks that have great numbers can lead to trends that pay more than us doing anything on our keyboard. Instead of letting our fingers do the working, we'll let the stock do the work. Trends pay. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Just portions of what we do. Explaining it in a manner I hope that you understand. That's my goal. And I thank you.